Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you our chrome shower seals. We're going to look at how to fit them and also the vast improvement they make compared to our standard seals. Okay, right, so we've got a sliding shower screen here with some clear seals on that we're looking to replace. Over time they can become a bit grotty, they can start to go yellow, or in this case what we're actually going to do is replace them with some chrome seals, and the reason for that is they'll actually match in nicely with the chrome frame, and then also because of the chrome effect you won't get the sunlight coming through making the seals go yellow. So the first thing we're going to do then is take the old seals off. So these should just pull off reasonably simply. They might be a little bit stiffer on there if you've got slightly thicker glass, but they should come off okay. So that's the old seals off, and then on the door itself you can see you get obviously a bit of build up of lime scale etc underneath. So if you've got yourself a scouring cloth you can just clean up the edges very quickly. You can obviously spend a little bit more time than me doing this, and a bit of kitchen roll to hand just to dry it off, ready for the new seals. So we've assumed you've measured your glass thickness and you've bought the correct seals. We're doing a range of different glass thicknesses, thin lengths, some seals available in chrome like the ones we're going to use here. So this is our chrome fin. You can see it has a chrome effect finish down the side. So first things first, we need to cut the seals to length. So bring the screen back round. So I'm just going to cut it roughly first of all. And now we've got the approximate length. If I put the bottom of the seal onto the glass, just pushing on with my fingers and thumb as you go to get it on nice and tight. Once you reach the top, you can then either mark it with a pencil, or like I'm going to do, I'm just going to place my finger there so I know roughly where to cut the seal. And with my set of garden secateurs, it's quite a nice simple cut. And that's our first seal on. So then we've got two other outer seals as well. There's two we cut earlier on. And you'll find that when you buy the seals, our chrome seals, they come with a protective finish. So that just needs to be peeled off as well. So once we've taken that off, you'll find you've got a nice chrome finish underneath with no scratches or blemishes in it. So now our, get out of the way. Now we're going to pop our other seals on, and as you can see I've cut the angle to fit around the handle. So just starting there at the top, again we're just going to push that on, push it up nice and tight into the handle, and then work our way down, pushing it on with our fingers. And exactly the same for the top one. We pop it on nice and tight to the handle, and then just work our way up, pushing the seal on. And there we go. That's our completed job. As you can see, nice chrome seals now matching in with our chrome frame. All looks like part of the door. And as the sun comes in, you won't notice the discolouring or the water getting inside. Nice little job for not a lot of extra money. Thanks for watching our video today. I hope you found that helpful. If you do need any further help or advice though, we're always happy to oblige. So you can get in contact with us via email. We have a messaging service on WhatsApp where you can send us messages and pictures, or you can give us a call. We also offer a sample service where if you cut a tiny piece of your seal off and send it in, then we'll quite happily see if we can find the correct product for you. And don't forget, we also have handles and shower door rollers on our sister website. links to the phone numbers, emails and our other websites are available online. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.